I've used both of HostGator and SiteGround, and in this video, I will share with you which one is the best option for you. Before we go into the details, I want to let you know that if you get one of these web hosting providers using my affiliate links from the description below, I will give you access to my online university for free. With this, you get access to multiple online courses, including one about your new web hosting provider. Without any further ado, let's get into the details. Installing WordPress in HostGator is simple. All you have to do is click on Settings, go to Advanced, and log into your cPanel by clicking on Manage. Click on WordPress Manager on the left. To start the process, click on Install. Make sure to always use HTTPS. Select your domain name. Enter your username, password, email, then click on Install. And there you have it, your WordPress is installed successfully. To disable this coming soon page, just log in to your WordPress site and under caching, click on Purge All. Now visit your website and it should be all functioning. Installing WordPress on SiteGround was easy. First, go to WordPress, select Install and Manage. Click on this Select button below WordPress. Select your domain name, your website language, installation path, username, password, email address, and hit this Install button. And just like that, your WordPress is installed on your domain name. A cool feature I really like in SiteGround is the staging feature. It helps you avoid breaking your WordPress website when performing risky tasks like updating plugins or themes. How does it work? It creates a duplicate copy of your website. You can test those risky changes on the copy, and once you're sure everything works fine, you can deploy it, meaning you publish the changes to your live WordPress site. Creating an email address on HostGator is straightforward. All you have to do is to log in to cPanel and under email, click on email accounts. Click on the blue button create, select your domain name, enter your username and a strong password. And for the optional settings, select unlimited for storage and click on create. To visit your inbox, click on check email. Wait for a moment and click on open. And that's it. This is your new email address inbox. Creating a free email account with SiteGround is also easy. I've created this professional looking email address. First, they give me only around 500 megabytes of storage. Then I've adjusted from here up to 10 gigabytes. Accessing this email address was also easy. And with SiteGround, all you need to do to access your webmail is write in your domain name, then add /webmail. Fill in your email address and hit login. With SiteGround, you can create email forwarders and also autoresponders. Unfortunately, I didn't succeed at connecting my SiteGround free email account with Gmail. And I think it was due to these non-updated email settings. After setting up my WordPress site on HostGator, I installed the Astra theme along with a template containing some content to mimic a real website. Surprisingly, the website loaded quite quickly during my browsing sessions. I used a tool called Pingdom to check how well the website was doing. It gave my site a B grade, which is like 90 out of 100. This was quite promising. Additionally, I ran the website through Google's PageSpeed Insights, which provided scores of 70 for mobile, and 89 for computer. Compared to other web hosting providers, HostGator performed slightly slower than Hostinger, but about the same speed as Namecheap and Bluehost. And compared to DreamHost, it was faster. Based on my findings, I am overall satisfied with the performance of my WordPress site on HostGator. After installing this starter template from Astra theme, I gave my website a visit, and from my experience, I think the speed is only average. It is not bad, but it is not top of the market. And these are the results from GTmetrix, PageSpeed Insights, and Pingdom by SolarWinds. Unfortunately, automatic backups aren't included in my HostGator BB plan unless I pay for them. Even with the higher tier business plan, they're only free for the first year. However, I can still manually download full or partial backups and restore them from the cPanel. Compared to other shared hosting providers that offer easy automatic backups at a lower cost like Hostinger, HostGator's limitations on backups seem outdated. After considering HostGator's backup policy and my experience, I rate them a 3 out of 10. Creating a website backup inside SiteGround was easy. All you need to do is to give your backup a name and hit enter. After that, you see all of your available backups here. But unfortunately, I was not able to download my backup to my computer because I was asked to pay for a subscription. Fortunately, with access to this file manager app, I can compress all of my website files and download them just like that. And for my databases, I can export them manually from PHP My Admin. But don't worry, restoring your available backups is easy and also free. Connecting to a support agent through HostGator's live chat was quick, earning them the second spot after Namecheap in terms of the time to connect. However, when I asked a simple question about tips to improve my WordPress site's loading speed, I had to wait for 10 minutes. It felt like they forgot about me. Even after the long wait, the answer I received wasn't satisfactory. Instead of providing useful tips, the agent only cleared the cache of my website on the server level, which wouldn't make a lasting difference. Compared to other hosting providers like Hostinger, DreamHost, or Namecheap, HostGator's live chat support falls short. It seems to be on par with Bluehost, possibly because they share the same parent company. Overall, my experience with HostGator's live chat support left me dissatisfied. Getting to SiteGround customer support live chat is not that easy. It is a little bit hidden in their knowledge base articles, so you need to select a topic first and then you get access to it. In terms of wait time to get connected, it was almost instant, just like they claim. However, the support agent wasn't very quick to respond. It felt like he was chatting with multiple people at once, which is pretty common these days. That said, his replies were clear and I could tell he was genuinely trying to resolve my issue.